What's up, everybody? West Plains on the square.
Hello.
How are you?
Pretty good. Can I help you?
Nah, I don't think so.
Sir, you're gonna have to come through here.
Okay.
Anything metal you want to sit right up here?
Sure.
You can come on through here.
Okay.
Where you need me to go to?
I'm gonna look around today.
It's inevitable when you got to go through one of those things. You got a pocket full of change.
I know,
don't you?
right? I think that's it.
Come on through. Yeah, it's your boots. Is what it's gonna be.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's the bottom of boots has got a
Nails.
yeah, that, and then they've got usually the arch support's got a metal part in it.
Right on. They working y'all hard today?
Yeah, a little bit.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Groovy. All right, I appreciate it, man. All right, we're in Howell County, everybody. That man did pretty good. Court clerk. This is a clerk's office. Rachel.
Sir, you're not allowed to tape us.
Yes, I am.
No, this thing says that you're not.
Well, that's not a law, ma'am. Okay. We created privacy. Let's look at the thing she's talking about. Okay. This is what she's talking about. Alright. That's pretty cool. Let's go check this out. Casa house. Right on. Okay, that's private. We won't go in there. Hi. Hi. How's everybody today? What are y'all doing here?
You can't record in the offices. You can record
Yes, I can.
out there, but you can't.
Yes, can. I can and I will, and I'm going to.
No, you can't record in the offices. You can record it out there in the hall, fine, but not in here.
What law is that?
That's by order of the judge.
What judge? Show me the order.
Either step out in the hall or I'm going to take you out in the hall.
You gonna put hands on me?
Yes, sir.
I'll sue you. I'll put my name on your
Okay.
pension.
Okay, that's all right.
What's your name and your
But
badge
you
number?
need to step out in the hall.
What's your name and your
You
badge
need to
number?
step out in the hall.
You put hands on me, I'll defend myself.
You need
We
to
clear?
step out in the hall.
I'm not going to.
You need to step
Call
out in
some
the hall.
help,
Let's
because
go.
you can't do it by yourself. Call some help.
You need to step out
Get
in
a
the hall.
supervisor.
My supervisor's not here right now. Come on, let's go.
Don't you
Let's
touch me. Don't you put hands on me. This is a lawsuit, sir.
go. Okay.
Everybody see what's happening? Look at this. This guy put his hands on me. What's your name? What's your badge number?
Deputy Crown over 271.
Okay, you're dismissed. You put your hands on me, sir. That's a lawsuit.
Okay.
You better call the city lawyer. Do it again, you're gonna pick yourself off the floor. You understand? I'll defend myself. You ain't got a law to put your hands on me. You ain't got cause. I'll go anywhere the public's allowed to go. You gonna babysit me now?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I guess we would have to.
Office is closed. Okay, well, it's late. Can't go in there. I'm gonna sue you, sir.
Okay.
You just lost your qualified immunity. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that today. You picked the wrong one. I will follow through. Bunch of tyrants around here. Is this what we pay you for? Put hands on people? You fucking punk. You kick rocks, bitch. Your supervisor on the way? I'm requesting the supervisor right now.
No, he's not. He's
I'm
busy at the moment.
I suggest you call him. We're gonna have a talk.
Well, he's in the middle of something. There's no recording inside the courtroom, sir.
I'm not in the courtroom.
Yeah, there's no recording in the courtroom.
I'm not in the courtroom. You don't get it, do you? Judge Ray. We know him well. We're gonna have a little word with him. Think you can just put your hands on me, you fucking punk? Lucky you didn't get spiced.
There's a bathroom down there if you'd like to record it.
I'm gonna stay here with y'all today till your supervisor gets here. How long you think it'll take him?
I don't know.
This punk wants to put his hands on a citizen. You understand who you work for, stupid? You work for us. You don't put hands on a citizen. You're gonna lose your job over that. Do you understand?
They asked for the supervisor to come here. They were trying to go into probate office and report.
You're a supervisor. You're a corporal, ain't you?
Negative, sir. I am not a corporal.
You're a deputy?
Yes, I am a deputy, and the supervisor is on their way
Thank
as
you.
we speak.
Can I have your name and badge number, please?
Deputy Poindexter, badge number 244.
Thank you for being professional. I appreciate that. You don't put hands on citizens, do you?
Only when they break the law.
What law did I break, sir?
I do not.
I'm
know
talking
what
to
you're
him.
referring to.
You want to answer? What law did I break for you to put your hands on me, you
You
bitch?
said you wanted to speak to the supervisor.
Yes, sir,
He's
I
on his
do.
way, and he'll be here
Stupid
to talk to you.
motherfucker. Shut up. I don't want to hear nothing else from you, bitch. Yeah, you're going to lose your job. I'm fucking hot. You damn right.
I was looking for a job when I found this.
Hi.
Hello?
Now you're
They told you that
Now
you're
you're
not allowed
fucking-
to record in that office.
now you're fucking with my First Amendment.
Okay.
Civil rights violation.
I understand what you're trying to do.
No, you don't.
But people that act like you do,
Act like me,
end up getting the rights taken away.
holding you accountable.
If you go back in there, I'm gonna put you in cuffs.
You put me
We're
in
not
cuffs
gonna
and I'll fucking sue you. You put your hands back on me again, bitch.
Okay.
Without a law and
Okay.
be picking yourself off the ground.
Okay.
You got it?
You threatening me again,
I'm not threatening you.
and I put you in cuffs.
I'm telling
Do you understand
What,
me?
you trying to intimidate
Do
me?
you understand
You
me?
ain't gonna put me in cuffs.
You know, you're not gonna stand
I'm
there. You're not
doing
gonna
it.
threaten me.
I'm
Do
not
you
threatening
understand?
you. Back off me, bitch. Back off me. You're not intimidating me, sir.
The supervisor is on
You
his
see
way.
this shit?
When he gets here, he'll talk to you.
You fucking punk. Put me in cuffs. You ain't big enough, Junior. You put hands on a citizen. That's a lawsuit. You're gonna lose your job. You lost your qualified immunity anyway. If you don't lose your job, I'm gonna make sure your job. You're gonna be badge number 6. How's that for a threat? I'm threatening you with litigation. You like that?
You wouldn't be the first one.
Oh, so you admit to doing that shit before? You fucking tyrant. Fuck you. Look at this bitch. This is why we do it, y'all. People want to enforce feelings. Tell me I can't record in an office, a public office. I pay for this shit. You don't.
I pay taxes.
No, you don't pay taxes.
I do
You
pay
use
taxes.
my money to pay your taxes. You dumbass. Fuck you. Let's get some exercise. Come on, Chunky. These offices public?
No, they're not.
No. You need to put up some signage.
The locked door. We don't
Yeah.
usually indicate.
If it's locked, I won't go in it. But if there ain't no signs on it, I will. Is this for the public?
No, it's not.
It's not?
It's for the attorneys.
Okay.
Paperwork that they need to fill out and things. There's a bathroom here. That's
I
an
don't-
attorney-client room.
I don't need anything from you.
That's where they meet with their clients.
You ever heard of the Bill of Rights? Maybe you should bone up on them. Hi. How are you? Whoops. Thank you. Dude's got me shook up.
Okay. No, he hasn't. Hello.
Hello, are you the sergeant coming to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
That man put his hands on me. I'd like to make a complaint right now.
Okay.
Can I have your name and badge number, please?
Sergeant Paul Bradshaw.
Yes, sir.
I don't think there's allowed any recording in the courthouse. The judges don't like that.
That's courtrooms. They can't say anything about the house.
Why can't they? It's restricted access into this building.
No, it's not. I walked right in.
Well, you didn't come through security?
Yes, I did. They can't stop me. It's my building. He put his hands on me without cause.
Did you try to come through or something?
Nope. I was in a public office. It says welcome right there.
Yeah, you can't be recording in the offices.
Where's the law? Show me the law.
It's a courthouse order by the
Show me the
judge.
order.
Well, I don't have it with me right now. I'd
What?
be more than happy to get your name and address and
No,
find that out and come
you
talk
ain't
to
getting
you.
that.
Well, why not?
Because
I
it's
mean,
none of your business. That's private.
What do you mean it's private? You're
private.
wanting to file a complaint. If
Yeah.
you have to file a complaint, you have to tell me who
No,
you
I
are.
don't. I do it anonymously.
Well, then you can do that down at the sheriff's office.
Okay, I'll go right down there. I'm gonna have your badge, you bitch. Fuck you. You put your hands on me.
Hey, don't be talking
No,
like
shut up.
You don't talk like
you
that in this
don't-
courtroom.
You
If
don't limit my speech, sir.
Listen.
You're dismissed.
Out of here. Get out.
No.
Get out.
For what? What law?
You're causing a
No,
disturbance.
you
right
came
now.
up and talked to me.
Yes, I did, and I was reasonable with you. And now you're cussing and screaming at us.
He put his hands on the citizens, sir.
Well,
I'm upset.
I'm asking you to leave then.
Okay, I'm denying that since you're asking.
Okay.
I'll leave when I get ready. You don't tell me what to do. You got it?
Okay, the judge has ordered you to leave, sir.
He didn't tell me that.
I'm telling you that.
You're not the law. You're not a legislator.
I'm just telling
All right,
you.
I'm gonna go. I'll be back.
I'm just saying that the judge is telling us to remove you from the property.
Really?
Okay.
This is public
I'm
property.
offering you an ability to walk out on your own without going somewhere else.
I want to know one thing.
I will try to help you out any way I
Okay,
can.
I'm gonna ask you this. If I don't go, will I be arrested?
Probably so, yes.
No, I need
Yes.
to know yes or no.
I'm just saying yes,
Under threat of
brother.
arrest?
Not under threat of arrest.
No, under
Not
threat of
threat.
arrest, I'll leave. Otherwise, I'm gonna walk around. Tell me if you're gonna arrest me if
Yeah,
I
I will
stay.
because I'm telling you to leave. The judge
Okay,
has said
that's all
to
I
you
needed.
not to
Thank you. See ya,
Thank you, sir.
bitch.
Have a great day. Have a great day.
Yeah, I'm gonna have your badge, you big motherfucker.
Have a good day. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, fuck off.
Have a great day.
Yep, fuck off. I'll see you later. There you have it, y'all. Tyrant cops. Woohoo! Tyrants. All right, I'm gonna end this one. Peace. I'm a little shook up. I'm gonna go. Well, I could smoke a cigarette right now. Woo-hoo-hoo. He did. What judge is that? Judge Ray? All right.